Yes, dear, you may start speaking now.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Sitish Kumar Singh from class 8A, roll number 20. I am telling about Literacy Day, National Literacy Day. Let's start. It states that is a human right, a tool of personal empowerment, and a means for social and human development. Our educational opportunities depend on literacy. Literacy is at the heart of basic education for all. It is also important to eradicate poverty, to reduce child mortality, to curb population growth, etc. Thank you.
Okay, so I think that was not of 2 minutes, but I would like to ask you firstly, you have spoken so many good vocab for all of us. You said poverty, you said mortality, you said literacy. So I would like you to begin with the basic info, throw some light on the term literacy. What do you understand by literacy? वो जो आपने पढ़ा या आपने कहा वो तो वी ऑल हैव हर्ड, बट आप उसे पहले बताइए भी तो। लिटरेसी से आप क्या समझते हैं? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दैट? ओके, मोर्टालिटी से क्या समझते हैं आप? कौन सी बात कही आपने मोर्टालिटी से रिलेटेड, क्षितिज? शायद आप खुद से लिखते या खुद से अगर आप 3 लाइन भी बोलते तो आपको इतना लंबा पॉज नहीं लेना पड़ता। आप क्या सोचते हैं इस बारे में? यस और नो? हाँ कि ना, जल्दी बोलो, बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं ना, सब तुम्हें देख भी रहे हैं।
Yes, ma'am.
है ना, खुद से लिखो तुम लोग। लिटरेसी इज साक्षरता, पढ़ाई लिखाई, शिक्षा, शिक्षित होना। दिस इज लिटरेसी। ठीक है। गर्ल्स टू बॉयज का रेशियो बहुत सारे स्टेट्स में अनइवन है या इवन हॉरिबल है। उसका लिटरेसी से क्या सा कनेक्शन है? कितनी सारी चीजें हैं कहने के लिए और सोचने के लिए। अगर आप इस तरफ सोचेंगे सिंसियरली तो आप बहुत सारी चीजें कह सकते हैं। यू कैन से अ नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स। आई विल गिव यू अनदर चांस मे बी। प्रिपेयर टिल देन। ठीक है। थैंक यू। एनीबडी एल्स?
Thank you, ma'am.
सुमित, सुमित सिंह, ओपन योर कैमरा। या प्लीज से एंड बिगिन। Why aren't you looking at the camera? Your eyes are looking somewhere else. You're not looking at the camera. Where are you looking, my boy? Now you are looking into the camera and again you are switching back to the left side and to the right side. May I know the reason? A speaker like you. Are you also taking help from some other source? अच्छा, okay. अच्छा बोलो, okay, fine. So good morning, ma'am. My name is Tulsi of class 8C, roll number 22. And today I am going to tell about the International Literacy Day. So National Literacy Day is celebrated on 29th October every year. And literacy means education. And every person should be literate, or we can say every person should be educated. But not every person is literate in India. Very good. Everyone is literate, then every person should be literate so that future will be bright for us. What could be the reason why, like you said, not every man is literate in India? Big sentence. What weight does it carry? Throw some light on it, stretch it, uh, analyze the probable features, factors, consequences. Yes, well, every person is not literate in India because there are not enough sources for them and not enough money for them so that they can continue their Education.
continue with their education, and there are some problems that there's no resources there, they cannot go there on many things, and because of that,
Their socio-economic status also varies from person to person, right?
yes, that's right.
Okay, thank you, Sumit. Anybody else from online mode? Rhea Yadav, Aditya, Khushi, Garvika, Suprabha.
Ma'am, may I?
Ha, please. Who is this? Open your camera first. Next will be.
When may I start?
हाँ प्लीज कैमरे को दूर प्लेस करिए पहले आप लोग.
Also,
You aren't in uniform today. Reason being.
ma'am, the uniform is wet, that's why.
अच्छा. Begin.
Okay. So good morning everyone. My name is Khushi Kumari. I'm from class 8A. I'm going to be giving a speech on the National Literacy Day. Before moving ahead in my speech, I would like to introduce to the word literacy. Literacy means read and write. An educated person can read and write, but at the same time can think creatively and knows what's happening in his surrounding. Before educated, a person needs to be literate. And we celebrate National Literacy Day, and this Literacy Day in India as a national platform, it has a huge value. It shows that everybody is capable of literate, everybody is capable of literacy and but does not get the opportunity. Everybody we should literate and everybody has a right to literate. When everybody is capable of it but does not get opportunity, it's the duty of educated person. The duty of person is well being known to education to help the people who are capable of greater achievements. India is second highest in population, but the literacy rate is not enough because the opportunities are not given to
How
people.
opportunities can be created, Kushi?
Ma'am, we can give opportunity to people through educated person who are well known to the education, but this
How?
student
How?
can give the opportunity to
Say if
people
say if
who
I
have
am a say if I am a well-known popular person, how can I create opportunities for the poor, underprivileged people? Think. By giving them money?
ma'am,
Can it be a effective way?
yes, ma'am,
If I give donate some
ma'am,
money.
providing them education through schools.
Okay, I can collab with some schools and
Yes, ma'am.
I can make them give admission maybe to a certain
Yes,
percentage of people who are hailing from specific backgrounds. That is the target group, not the ones who are in general or they are privileged ones. Will it work that way?
yes,
It can be a way, right? Okay. Thank you.
yes.
Thank you. Next speaker from offline mode. Who will come? Purva, are you ready? Sure. Srijan Pratap Singh. Oh. Oh. Whatever you have prepared, come. I don't have much time. यही आप क्या इंटरनल्स बनाते हैं ऐसे ही मोमेंट्स.
मैम लिटरेसी और एजुकेशन में हमको अंतर होता है.
तुम बताओ तुम्हें जो समझ में आए तुम वो अपने विचार व्यक्त करो. वट एवर यू हैव अंडरस्टूड यू कैन स्पीक ऑन दैट राइट. मास्क नीचे करके आराम से ब्रीथ करके इंट्रोडक्शन देके.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Sajan Pratap, class 8A. Today I am speaking about topic National Literacy Day. Literacy is a very important issue in India because literacy is also the meaning of knowledge. Knowledge is important for every person for their surroundings and information and reading and writing. People's mostly so not so many people know about knowledge and information reading and writing, so that's they can't know about their few their life which is happening to their surroundings. They only do where they think is this known as.
Do you think literacy is related to education, Srijin?
Yes, ma'am.
How?
Ma'am, because literacy is
How literacy can be related to education?
ma'am, literacy is known as no. Yes, ma'am. Literacy is known as saksharta, and education is known as.
Continue, continue. एक सवाल और आप क्लास के बाहर ज्यादा पंगे नहीं लेने हैं मुझसे मेरा ऐसे दिमाग आउट हो जाता है तुरंत
Education is known as रीडिंग, लिखना पढ़ना और अपने
Reading,
आसपास की चीज़ों को जानना.
correct. So, yeah. Why is it important to increase and ensure that literacy should be always increasing?
Ma'am, our surroundings and our ma'am our ma'am, if some information, some different, they people don't know about their surrounding worlds because they don't know about education's
So how
knowledge.
can we know about it?
Ma'am, for reading, writing, and
If a person is if a child is working in mines, you're saying that he must know reading, writing. He is coming from that background. How that reading, writing will be accessible to that child? Think about it.
ma'am, if he can, if know he know about reading and writing, he can know that what is happening about their own.
Consider he doesn't know. He is
Yes,
just a complete illiterate. He has not received any education so far. है ना? So हम उसको किस तरीके से opportunity दे सकते हैं सुजन?
ma'am, government schools, they don't. Ma'am, government schools are for made for this purpose, for the
For children.
for the children. They don't able to read and write, so they can come and read. They the That's
Very
why
good, very
the
good.
government.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for coming up, for opening yourself up before us. You may go back. Now, next speaker should be Shaurya Pratap.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Lord Prasanna.
भाई साहब, इसने नीचे कर दिया। थोड़ा मास्क को नीचे करो शौर्य, मास्क को। अच्छे लग रहे हैं। बोलो।
My name is Shar Pratap Singh. I study in class 8B. Today I am tell about National Literacy Day. We should all to be literate because if we will all literate, no one can do wrong with us. Our country gave right to all people to be literate. Our government made schools for poor children.
Made school for poor children.
Poor children.
Okay. Who are these poor children, शौर्य? अभी तुम बोलोगे, तुम्हें बहुत हंसी आ रही है? नहीं नहीं. You will also become poor for some seconds. Who are poor children? Do I look like poor children? Are you poor children? Who can be the poor children? कैसे बताएंगे गरीब बच्चे कौन होते हैं? हिंदी में वाक्य आ रहे हैं दिमाग में? मैम, ऐसे बच्चे जिनके पास बहुत सारी सुविधाएं नहीं होती है, वो शायद रहने के लिए उनके पास छत हो. They do not even have food to eat timely. They just wander around. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? So you can say, how would you define the term poor people, poor man, poor child? So how literacy can be improved for them? What you would like to say for these kind of people on this National Literacy Day? Whom would you like to request to do something for the benefit and upliftment of such people? Think. आपने लिखा है ना, खुद से लिखा है?
Yes, ma'am.
खुद से लिखा है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
तो आप इतने आइडियाज जब आपने लिखे हैं तो आप इस बारे में भी सोचिए क्या हो सकता है. Have you ever seen poor people? Where can we see poor people?
Ma'am,
Any 10 places.
on streets.
On streets. Louder.
Ma'am, on slums. Ma'am, in slums.
In slum areas. Thank you, Shaurya. Next speaker should be Apurva. After her, it should be Rituraj. Nahi, I'm sorry, Ravikant.
So, a very warm good morning to all of you. Myself, Apurva. I read in class 8C. So, today I'm going to speak about National Literacy Day. So, as we all know, Literacy Day is celebrated on 29th of October every year. And like literacy means read and write. And the root form of this literacy word is literate. So first I will talk about olden days. So in olden days, as we all know, that people were not having any rights for reading, writing and etc. So especially the girl child was not sent at all in the school to read anything or to learn anything. So but they want to, because they used to see the men's how they work, how in olden days also like British works. So they all wanted to do like that, but they were not having the rights. But in this present time, we all have the rights to read and write. So we should all take this opportunity to read and write. And let me tell you that in the present time also, there are many people who are not educated, but like because of this because of the
There can be so many factors.
yes. So as because of the
Apurva, what do you think about people who are belonging to a strata of society, means a section of society who are literate, educated, sophisticated, but still they are so illiterate in their thoughts, in their practices, in their opinion? Right. What do you
Uh,
think about them?
Ma'am, if they are like this, they should be a bit open-minded so that they all can educate, like they can help each other. Like as we all know, tuitions are taken and all, so they can take that tuition and educate people so that our country also develop.
And when it comes to apply those same liberal thoughts on ourselves, our family members, or for maybe your better half, so they're the actual setup that what kind of mindset the people are having these days. It comes to like yes or no.
Yes,
Say
ma'am.
there can be so many members in your in somebody's XYZ family. They are not very willing to let the girl child study for higher, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
they all are quite literate. They some may be businessmen, some may be professors, some may be engineers. But when it comes to apply the same theory on their own wives or maybe sisters or maybe other members, they do not practice it. So, what would you like to say to such people?
Ma'am, first I would like to say that like if they are doing this, they are doing the very wrong thing, because every person has the right to read, and every person have the rights to read and write and to get educated. And like most of the people think that girls and women are just to cook food and to take care of children, but it is not like that, because we all know that our first woman prime minister was Indira Gandhi. So like they should be also the open minded, so that they can also send the woman or any girl child to send the school. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.
इधर नजरे इधर मिलानी इधर. So that was Apurva. That was Apurva. And now we have our very good speaker, keynote speaker, Master Ravikant.
Good morning. I'm Ravikant Singh from class 8B and I'm here to present a small speech on literacy. Literacy means an ability to read and write. As we all know that we are going to celebrate National Literacy Day on 29th of October in India. Being literate is a very crucial thing in India for everyone. But not every person in India is literate. Especially women in some backward area are not literate.
Can you highlight some backward areas of our country, Ravikant?
The main backward area is Rajasthan. The literacy rate of women is very low. Especially in some backward areas, the literacy rate is too low. In the age of attaining education, they are forced to learn household chores, and their parents need to know by attaining knowledge or by uh, attaining information of something, we can perform a task better in a better way. These things are not friendly in South India, especially in Kerala. Literacy rate is very high. In our country, literacy rate is in statistic on the data.
Confirm that Rajasthan is the most illiterate state.
Yes, from Rajasthan and some other states
I
also.
really doubt. Rajasthan?
Yes, ma'am.
Illiterate? Okay, we shall check the status one more. Huh? ठीक है, continue.
The literacy rate is a statistics of the data table which inform us that how many person are literated in per 100 or in particular gender. As we all know, is India is second largest in the terms of population. Then though the literacy rate is very low. Literacy is
How
an
can government work towards enhancing the literacy rate of our country? Any two ways. That's it.
they can motivate their parents to send their children for educations.
Who can? Whose parents? Who can motivate whose parents, my dear?
Important celebs can.
Thank you, Ravi. I think you were talking about government. Government can work in this area. है ना? Yeah, I shall be including that point. You may say from that place, so I may include.
At last, I wrote that I think Literacy Day is celebrated to create the awareness about reading and writing.
Yeah, about reading and writing. Among whom? Among the underprivileged people, right? Who are not living in the posh areas of your country. है ना, Ravikant? Who are not living in the. Thank you so much. I shall include all the points day after tomorrow. Yeah, so I mean, in my next lecture, that will be probably fourth class if I come. So we shall be continuing and giving the chance to the rest who have not spoken yet. Thank you. That's all for today. Second period.